Can we just be done?
Ooh, we're just getting started.
Guys, fuck it. Let's give the people what they came for.
Welcome back and welcome if you're new to my channel. For today's 2-in-1 makeup tutorial, we're going to start by holding our hair back using a pomade or a hairspray. To hold the eyebrows flat, I'm using the Got To Be Glued, which works great for me and dries really fast. I also braided my hair to make sure it stays seamless under my ball cap and cut a small hole with scissors where Lady's Deadpool hair will be placed later. Make sure to use Vaseline or other skin barrier to protect yourself from the adhesive. When sketching your work, a makeup remover wipe and a Q-tip will be your best friend. With a piece of black felt, I cover the exposed hair area to protect it from the paint. And use a black gel eyeliner in my water lines and around the eye area before using the paint. I use Halloween paint in black and white to detail the work and highlight all the detail areas. I'm creating shades of gray to give it a light reflection. You can correct any mistakes by using more light or dark colors. For the male Deadpool, I created a prosthetic to give it a more mask look by using latex and Play-Doh. For an easier latex application, make sure you use your hands and not a sponge like I did here, and some translucent powder under and over the mask for an easier removal. And as you can see, I pre-made some holes so I can be able to breathe. Begin to measure, cut, and use the same Prostate adhesive to apply the mask. Be careful not to cut yourself, add the red paint, and your male Deadpool is ready.
Goddamn, that's beautiful.
For Lady Deadpool, I removed the mask, added more paint, created this hair extension, added hair accessories. For more product details, see the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. See you next time.
I'm going to marvel at how cinematic it feels. Gratuitous cameos, indiscriminate use of variants, the whole package. Suck it, Fox.